This question, you just got to start drawing what it's saying, and it doesn't have to be perfectly to scale, but just indicate the key points on this. So we're told that A, B, and C lie in that order on a straight line. So that is my straight line, and then I'm just going to call this A. This is the endpoint C, and then B is somewhere along it. I don't know where. Line CD is then perpendicular to AC. So I'm going to make it go up. Therefore, this point is D. And this is a right angle because they're perpendicular. Also, CD is equal to AB. I'm just going to indicate that, make it a red line. And often, this is actually indicated to be working on one color by just a little dash that's going through. Then the point E lies on the line AD. So let me draw that in. Between A and D, so that EB is equal to EC and AB. Okay, so maybe it's like there. Like I said, it's not perfectly to scale, but yeah, that's okay. So you can see, yeah, it don't quite work, but actually that is also the same as that. All the four red lines are exactly the same length. So I've actually done part A, draw a diagram to show this information. Diagram need not be accurate or to scale, and you can see mine is not, but it should clearly indicate which lengths are equal, which I feel I have done. We're then asked to calculate the size of the angle BAE. Oh, sorry, I didn't actually add on that this is E. So angle BAE is the one that is in between these two lines. It's going to be this angle here. That's the one I want to find. Now, we only have one angle that we've been given in this triangle, and that is the 90 degrees. So we somehow have to use that to be able to calculate this angle. We're going to be using these equal sides along the way. So it makes sense to call the missing angle that we want to find x. I mean, you could label a different one x, but this is the one we actually want to find. So I'm going to work in terms of that. Now, AEB is an isosceles triangle because these two lengths are the same, which means that this is also x. And then this angle, well, because they add up to 180, this must be 180 minus 2x. And this is also adding up to 180, which means that this must be 2x as well. And then I have another isosceles triangle, so you can see we're just working our way through this, 2x here. And then up here, because the angles in this ECB triangle add up to 180, then this angle must be 180 minus 4x. And if I add up these two, I'm going to get 180 minus 3x. So because again I'm on a straight line here, then this angle must be 3x. Another isosceles triangle, so that is 3x. And finally, our other missing angle in terms of x is going to be 180 minus 6x. Time to bring out the right angle fact. So it must be that 2x plus 180 minus 6x is equal to 90. And finally, I've managed to get an equation to solve. So I can just rearrange this. I can minus 90 from both sides, and I can, let me take it step by step. It's going to be 180 minus 4x is equal to 90. That means 4x is going to equal 90. And from that, we get our answer. X equals 22.5. Now, I introduced x, so just to finish, I should probably say angle BAE equals 22.5 degrees. Nice.